Alright guys, hey, this is Rich from Dad's World. I'm going to show you how to install a brush guard from a ranch hand on a 2017 and up F250. Mine's a F250 2022. Here's the ranch hand right here. Comes in a big box, really packaged well when I took it out. And actually, this was bent. Looks like somebody had laid it up. I contacted the company I bought it through, and they gave me a discount of 160 bucks to keep it. I simply had to just bend it back. Other than that, looks like they did a good job on the packaging. You know, you see it all around here, and it's still got some stuff on it. I advise leaving it on there until you get it all the way on your vehicle. That way if it bumps into it, it does not dent your stuff. Also, you may want to lay some blankets out. That's what I will do on my vehicle. That way if it rubs the paint anyway while I'm doing the install, it will not damage it. This is part of the instructions here. You're going to see. Way to go through them step by step. Bear with me. You really should have two people to do this. I'm going to try to do most of it with one until I get a little hand later. Simply put, one of the first steps is we're going to have to take these off. There's bolts on here behind it. They pop out by pulling here. On both sides, we're going to have to make a cut, a vertical incision right in here on both sides. You can cut more away, but then you're going to have the bolt showing. That's going to be one of the prime places you put it to. I believe we have to make a small cut on each side down here. The instructions are going to tell us on each side of the wind brace here. You can do that with a little oscillating rotary tool, or you can do it with a knife. I mean, there's more ways to skin the cat than you want to admit. However, it won't be bad. We'll get through it. We're going to learn from it. Just big little things here. Once again, your look, the finish is really nice. I have the one with sensors. That's the cutout right there. It is a ranch hand. I looked at a whole bunch of different versions and ratings. This just seems to be one of the oldest and strongest. It's 12 gauge steel versus 14. They seem to back there. It's made in America. I just didn't see how I could go wrong. There are some different designs that I did like and I did think about in the same price point. I paid from Stage 3 Motors $814 for mine, and that was shipped to me, and they did a good job, got it right to me. Once again, the only problem was one of my beams here was bent. I simply bent it back, no big deal. I didn't know by bending it if it was going to have to be reinforced or re-welded, because it is a mount point, but it's simply bending back, and I got 160 bucks off. They won because they didn't have to take it back and get me another one. I won because I got 160 bucks back. Comes with packaging here. These are what's going to go under the truck. Simply put, pretty easy to see how this works. You're going to reuse some bolts. We'll go through it step by step. All right, guys, I'll bring you back in a minute.